Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mask unsubscribed email in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After go to Gmail, you'll find here on top a search bar. Just write here unsubscribe and then click on enter. Then you'll find all of your subscribed email addresses. So if you are to unsubscribe all of this, all you have to do is click on this show search options beside the bar. Then you'll find this pop-up. Then you have to click on create filter. Then all you have to do is you have to click on anything. What you're gonna do is apply filter to matching conversations, this one, and you have to add here apply label. Click on apply label and choose one label, any label you can choose, like secret. Okay, so now click on this create filter. Alright, your filter is created. Now if you go to this secret folder, you'll find all of this unsubscribed mail here. Okay, so if you want to delete it, all of this unsubscribed mail or subscription mail, you can do this by clicking on this and then all will be selected. Then you can delete it from here. Okay guys, so this is how you mask unsubscribed emails in Gmail and clear it out. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.